Hey guys, are you wanting to buy the best dash cams? Then you are in the right place. Our today's video is about the top 5 best dash cams that are available in the market. If you want to know the price and more information about the products mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting with the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. The N4 contains all the top-of-the-line capabilities of pricier dash cams, including GPS, parking mode, time-lapse, and more. It provides simultaneous 360-degree car coverage from the inside and the outside. It's also one of the more popular dash cams on the market. But it's not flawless. Because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not supported, the only method of playback and review is via a wired connection to a computer. Additionally, ordinary SD cards aren't compatible, a rather obnoxious sales tactic. You must use Vantrue's exclusive 256GB SD card, which is not included. N4 buyers are required to buy one separately or pay more for a Vantrue dash cam bundle. Despite being supremely affordable, it features 3 cameras and a ton of features. Our expert Gannon also notes that its video quality was among the best. Now our second product is the Escort MaxCam 360C laser radar detector and dash camera. For those seeking both radar detection and dash cam functionality, the MaxCam 360C is an excellent choice. Featuring a Sony Starvis image sensor and a 2560 by 1440 resolution, the dash cam captures footage at 30 frames per second with a 143-degree field of view. While the video quality has high contrast and offers noise reduction, video compression significantly affects image clarity. Gannon notes that in its comparison test of dash cams, the Gear team found the MaxCam 360C performed well in low-light conditions, although finer details became blurry at a distance. Despite its high cost and the potential complexity associated with using a radar scanner, the MaxCam 360C offers a comprehensive solution for those in need of both radar detection and dash cam capabilities. If you're looking to streamline your vehicle accessories and address both needs simultaneously, this Escort model is worth considering. Our third product is Nextbase iQ4K Smart HD Dash Cam Pro. Offering an impressive array of advanced features, the iQ4K blurs the lines between a standard dash cam and a comprehensive vehicle safety system. What sets the iQ4K apart is its extensive safety features, including lane departure and collision imminent alerts, anti-sleep alerts, and a Guardian mode tailored for monitoring younger drivers. Operable via voice commands and a user-friendly app, the iQ4K offers convenient control and customization options directly from your smartphone. For LTE features, a subscription is required, which can be paid monthly or annually. Furthermore, the iQ4K offers flexible power options via the OBD2 port or wired directly through your vehicle's fuse box. The iQ recently received a round of updates from Nextbase which included a host of changes meant to improve the user experience. Updates were made to the iQ rear cam's functionality, SmartSense parking, cabin image quality, and others. AI voice recognition software called Pico Voice was also added, enabling users to engage hands-free with iQ simply by saying, "Hey, iQ," and can be used in multiple user languages. Now number 4, Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G840S is an all-in-one car camera solution with a rear camera for parking and a 12-inch display doubling as a rear-view mirror. The unit fits seamlessly onto your existing mirror, saving windshield space. The front-facing camera can record in ultra-crisp 4K, and the rear-view mirror display is larger than standard, eliminating potential blind spots. The G840S mirror dash camera is equipped with an upgraded low-reflectivity LCD to reduce daytime reflections. With incorporated WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting, and a professional-grade sensor paired with a 6-glass lens for superior image quality, nighttime driving or challenging lighting conditions are handled with ease. Enjoy reliable performance with the upgraded USB-C power port, which eliminates issues like restarts and overheating. Unlock additional features such as streaming media rear view, adjustable viewing angles, and G-sensor recording for added peace of mind. And our last choice is Red Tiger Dash Cam Front Rear. The Red Tiger driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1. 5 aperture and 6 layers, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture key details clearly under low-light conditions. You just need to connect the Red Tiger F7 NP dashcam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the Red Tiger app to view, playback and manage the dashcam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit videos in the app. By just one click, you can share your videos. The Red Tiger dashcam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the Red Tiger app, or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Even when the memory card is full, the Red Tiger dash camera will continue recording with its loop recording feature. As soon as the G sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision videos. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor available on the dash cam to record continuously for 24 hours with a time-lapse function at parking mode. Please note that a hardware kit is needed. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to make your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.